Welcome back to another episode of Dad What's for Dinner. Tonight we're doing a fridge/freezer purge. Just taking some leftover ingredients from other videos or from lunch, putting it all together and making a dinner out of it. We have a soy chicken with sausage stir fry, some meatballs with sweet and sour sauce, and some Korean tteokbokki. Obviously they're smaller portions, but we'll put all that together to make a dinner for the family. Yeah, here we go.
For the Korean spicy rice cake sauce, add 2 tablespoons of Korean red pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder or garlic salt, sesame seeds. This sauce is based on a 1-portion serving, so for more servings, scale up the sauce amount, set aside for later. For my meatballs, I just added sweet and sour sauce, a half cup of water, and some sesame seeds. Heat up and serve. For your soy chicken, slice some sausages, green onions, and bell peppers. Place them into a bowl until you are ready to cook. First dish, add your sauce, along with a half cup of water, to a frying pan and put on low heat. Add your rice cakes and green onions into the same pan. For the chicken dish, add in your cut items and the chicken into a pot, and for the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of each: soy sauce, mirin, dashi powder, sesame seeds, honey, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. In a pot of oil, I fried mandu yuca, which will be added to your spicy rice cake dish. Add all your other items to your spicy rice cake dish, plate and serve. Back to you, Jones.
Thank you for watching another episode of Dad What's for Dinner, fridge/freezer purge episode. Hope it gives you some inspiration as far as cooking dinner for your family with some leftovers. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and on to the next episode.